and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some Christmas presents. So these are 3 Christmas present ideas for what I am doing for Christmas. So let's get on with the video. So DIY number 1. You will need a canvas or paper if you can't use a canvas. Now, if you do use paper and you want to give it to someone, if you have it, you can put it in a photo frame or something as well. Just make sure your paper is to the size of the frame. You will also need paint, your colored paint, so 2 colors preferably. Preferably one of them will be white and the other one will be a color, basically, because we will be blending them in together. And you'll also need your paper towel to wipe off your paintbrushes. So then it's not too, so the paint's not too wet when it goes on the canvas. Okay, so your first step, so I'm just going to do 2 blobs of white up the top. And then I'm going to go orange all the way down. Then you will get your paintbrush and swipe your paint side to side. Now, remember, don't be afraid to come upwards as well with the paint, but just make sure you get it both to the paint, to the edges, like so. And then just to even it out, just once you've got it to all the edges, just go back and forth, up and down. It will help even it out a bit more. Alright, so for our next step, now this is dry, we will need a paintbrush. That's what we'll need. We'll need our paintbrush and our black. So I am actually going to be on this one doing a name. is number 1 done and complete. So I will see you in DIY number 2. Alright, so for DIY number 2, we are going to be doing another canvas painting. But this time, instead of painting the background, we're going to be doing a drawing. So my design is going to be a flowering with a car. So for your first step, you will need to draw, I'm going to draw a light circle. Alright, so that is my simple car. For your next step, round the circle, you're going to be drawing flowers. So as you can see, yes, it is really basic, but basic is all you will need. So your next step is to fill this up with paint. That's your next step, to fill your palette up with paint. If you don't have a palette like this and you do have tubes, another good tip for that is to fold your paper in half and put your paint on there. That also is used as a good mixing palette as well. Alright, so basically what I did here with this one here, which is a sort of metallic-y type blue now, is I mixed my silver here with the blue over here. What I did was I did my base of silver, so that's the most colour was silver, and then I just did a little bit of blue in there. And one tip with the black is to always try your best to do the black as the last thing you do. Because if not, if you do accidentally mix colors, the black will go in and it may just make everything look not the best. Let's just put it that way. So now that's done, your next step is to get a black marker, which I know I didn't say in the what you needed at the start, plainly because I didn't realize and I didn't think it was going to look better as a cartoon style then. I think cartoon's the right word. If you get a better word for it, say. So your next step is just to trace around the outside of everything. Alright, so I will finish off outlining all this, and then once I am done, I will show you guys. Alright, so for DIY number 3, we will be doing a water marble candle holder. So to make that, you will need a glass jar, your pick of nail polishes, a cup of water, room temperature. So your first step will be to get any and all wrappers off the jars, basically. Our next step is to pick our nail polish colours. Some nail polishes work and some don't, so experiment with the ones you have. They will take 1 to 2 hours to dry. I'll start it for you then. So basically now that this is dry, yeah, my other one went a bit stretchy. Your next step is to get it out. Now follow it. And put it carefully onto your jar. Like so, trying to smooth it out. Now, as you do, okay, just be careful. We smooth it out, like so. And then you can put a candle in it and it will sort of be fluorescent. Yeah, now. Alright, that is it for this video. So basically, DIY number 1, which is the painting. Alright, so that is it for this video. And I will see you all next time. Alright, that is it for this video. So basically, DIY number 1, which is the painting. Which is the painting with a name on it. DIY number 2, which is the saying. And DIY number 3, which is the candle holder. Now, if you would like any more to know how to do some more water marble things, I can do a video on that. Just put in the comment section down below. And please like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Hey There, It's Jess Time 8. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.